Welcome to the Solar Energy channel, where you're going to get an honest inside look at all things solar. In this video, we're going to give you 5 reasons that you should not go solar. I'm Charles.
And I'm Warren. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to be notified of more content just like this.
Yeah. So the first reason you should not buy solar is if you do not own the property. If you don't own the building or the place where that electric bill resides, you should not buy solar.
Yeah, you can't pick up your solar and take it with you, or it's very difficult and very expensive. It probably makes no sense at all. So yeah, that's one great reason not to go solar. If you don't own your home or the property that your home is on or your business, you don't want to go solar.
Yep. The second reason why you should not buy solar is you're planning to move in the near future. And our typical rule of thumb is if the payback period is longer than when you plan to move, it probably does not make sense for you to put solar on your home or your business.
Correct. So if you're planning on moving or selling before the solar pays for itself, it's probably not a great idea to do solar.
Yeah. And the third reason you should not buy solar is because you don't have the space. Maybe you don't have the roof or the ground availability to you. And so that would be the third reason why you should not buy solar.
Yeah, solar does take up space, either on your roof or the ground. You got to have the space for it.
And then the fourth reason is an obvious one. If you do not have the ability to make the investment, you don't have the money to buy the solar panels up front, or you don't have the ability to borrow the money, you should not buy solar.
Yeah, solar is an investment, and so it's a larger investment up front that pays for itself over time. So you need to be able to have the money to pay for it.
And the last reason you should not buy solar is if you have this mindset that you only want to pay as you go versus an investment mindset where I would rather pay today to save money into the future, because that's exactly what a solar investment is. It requires a sacrifice today that I get to save money into the future.
That is correct. So again, solar is an investment. You're going to be paying more up front. If you're the type of person who just wants to pay a little more over the long term, but a little more each month, solar is probably not for you. So if none of these 5 reasons apply to you, then you're probably a great candidate for solar. Go ahead and click on the link in the description below to find out exactly what solar would look like for you.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this information, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for future releases.